Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. It's me, Ibels, a student of English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is K8117. Today I'm gonna tell a short story. The story's name is The Three Billy Goats Scarf. So let's get started. Once upon a time, the three billy goats wanted to eat the grass on the other side of the bridge. So the first billy goat started to cross the bridge, but a troll jumped up and threatened to eat it. So the first billy goat persuaded the troll to eat the second billy goat, saying he was bigger and fat. Then the trolls agreed and let him pass. When the second billy goat started to cross the bridge, the troll jumped up and threatened to eat. Second billy goat begged the troll to eat the third billy goat. And when the third billy goat started to cross the bridge, he bravely stood up against the troll and easily defeated him. Then the three billy goats safely enjoyed the grass on the other side of the bridge. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.